With whisk and spoon we start the day in our warm and magical way. Muffin ties her apron tight, stirring berries oh so right. Bobo hums a honey tune, bubbling gently near the spoon. Stir, stir in the woodland light, sprinkle magic, make it bright. Mix with joy and friends so true, and see what a surprise can do. Bunbun hops in with a grin, veggies fresh and tucked within. Pingping flaps with glowing pride, magic powder by his side. But wait, what's that? A purple jar? Could it hold a treat bizarre? He shakes and sprinkles, oops, oh no, a sparkling blast begins to grow. Stir, stir in the woodland light, sprinkle magic, make it bright. Mix with joy and friends so true, and see what a surprise can do. Boom, the kitchen's full of glow, berries bounce and jelly flows. Milk turns into silver streams, filling hearts with giggling dreams. Pingping gasps, what did I do? Muffin smiles, mistakes help too. Bobo nods and gives a cheer, best dessert we've made all year. Stir, stir in the woodland light, sprinkle magic, make it bright. Mix with joy and friends so true, and see what a surprise can do. Taste the pudding, soft and sweet, with sparkling shine and berry treat. Even Bunbun takes a bite, with jelly stars and pure delight. Stir, stir with